Hey, what's up guys? Here's a quick demo on this Quikra air tire inflator. So I love that it comes with a hard case as well as fabric case here so you can carry everything together. So it comes with all these different things. This one looks like you have to screw it onto the tire instead of having like the quick connect like some of the other ones. So go ahead and connect the hose and take off the cap. This has a swivel there, so it's not that big of a deal. So screw that on. It's connected. Turn on the power. Hold it for a couple seconds. It's on. All right, so turn it on, and you can see right now this tire has 33 psi in it. I'm gonna adjust it up to 36 and a half. So just hit start. All right, guys, so that's it. It did it really quickly. So just unscrew it and put your cap back on. All right, guys, so now that I showed you actually airing up a tire with it, I can tell you this particular inflator feels really strong and sturdy. So I've used a lot of these things, but this one just feels really durable. I'm impressed at the overall quality and feel of it. It does have like a lot of the other ones where you can cycle through and see your presetting. So you have your car setting, it's a bike, ball, and free option there. You can do whatever you want. It has flashlight options here. So you have off, solid, and then the SOS light. So also it can be used as a battery pack. So you charge it with the USB-C in. You can also use it in emergencies or whatever else to charge your phones or whatever you need to charge up. So use it as just a basic battery pack. So that's really cool. The power of it just seems really strong. It took me a little bit longer out of the box to charge this one up than it did some of the other ones, but I think it actually holds quite a bit more power and is a bit more stronger than some of the other air tire inflators that I've used. So it took about 2 hours out of the box to charge up, but it's definitely a good air tire inflator. Solid, good choice.